Good evening, guys. Good evening. We are live and we are going to be trading a couple of pairs. And in doing so, I'm going to show you a nice and simple scalping method that I find myself utilizing over the course of the evening and over the course of my trading career as well. It's fantastic. It works very, very well. And I'm going to go right into it and show you all because we are currently in the Asian session or Tokyo session. We do want to find ourselves going ahead and utilizing pairs that thrive within this particular session. So pairs like these can be Euro AUD, Euro NZD, the JPY pairs, the yen, and a couple of other pairs as well. In general, we don't find ourselves trading the majors because, of course, they tend to thrive over London and New York, but we'll be playing around more with the minor pairs. And the downside about scalping with minor pairs is that they do find themselves, they find themselves having massive spreads. And as a result of those massive spreads, then it's quite unfortunate because you have to adjust and then your trade can end up not being as clean as what you had hoped it to be. Because then you have to take your spread, calculate it, and add it to your stop loss, and remove from your take profit. And then alternatively, you end up running a 1 to 1.2 or 1 to 1.3 or even a 1 to 1.5, where according to the rules of the method, we are supposed to be finding ourselves running a 1 to 1. And that's just in terms of probability and making sure that the odds are always within our favor. And by changing the risk to reward, it will end up changing the likelihood of the trade actually going your way. But with that being said, I do want to just literally go into my YouTube channel, and I want to just find this link, copy it, and then share it to my traders in the group so that that's all good for them. I think I should just say from now on, just have a look and copy, just share it to them. I think I should actually schedule these, but I'm just, life is life. I'll send it there, I'll send it here. Quite nice. To me. Give me 2 seconds on my end. My apologies for this. Go. All this stuff. Right. All good to go. Right. So looking at this, if you are familiar with my Asian range breaking retest, you'll be definitely familiar with this particular method. So with this method, it's quite nice. It's quite simple as well. All we do is we wait for a break above our session's range or break below. And if you break below, we sell, and if you break above, we buy. Then we just run a risk to reward of 1 to 1, with the stop loss being either below the box or above the box in relation to the position that you take. So if you buy, of course, your stop loss will be below the box, so below the box, or a few pips below the box. And if you sell, your stop loss will be above the box, a few pips above your box. Normally, it's your spread that you would utilize to place your stop loss above the box. But that's how we do it. We go ahead, we trade that way, and we just do that. In any event, here's Euro NZD. Just pop that lovely link into my group. I wonder who's going to join from there. I'm not sure. But in any event, maybe they're all tucked away in bed. But here we are. This is a 1 minute time frame. I like to use a horizontal line for no reason. You can use raise, you can use a trend line that you just place horizontally, whatever the case may be. Yeah, this is the downside. This is the waiting period that I hate so much, because especially in live streaming, it's so tedious to literally just sit and wait. Just sit and wait for price to make its move. It is a Monday Tokyo session, so I don't expect a lot of movement, but I do expect some decent. I might end up continuing the live stream a bit later, as I normally do. Basically, I just live stream, analyze my charts, set up my chart, and then from there just do a live stream to see the review. And the reason why is just for authenticity and transparency. I'm able to analyze the chart, come back, and you're able to see the clean results as well. And there's no hidden agenda, no lies, no facade being shown. It's just pure trading. That's it. Pure trading, pure money being made. That's how we go about this. So you might buy, you might sell. I'm not sure actually what you're going to find out doing with EuroCAD. Question is, why am I even on EuroCAD? Those are all pairs that move very, very well. Of London and New York. What's also very important with these pairs is understanding the correlation between, certain asset pairs. So if you look at USD/JPY, and you perhaps look at Euro/JPY, you'll notice that they tend to move very, very similarly. So if I go over here and I say, you know what, and there's USD/JPY, just the one I was looking for, you'll notice that they tend to move very, very similarly. Here's the interruption candle at the same place, or almost at the same place. They they created an M formation inside of the box. They both did, and they're currently both in a sell, in a downward trend, or at least potentially can be in a downward trend. There should be free traffic, at least up until this point. It's weird that we're not actually seeing this particular clean movement over the course of the evening. But that's no problem. In any event, let me go ahead. You're looking at Euro AUD. Once again, they do take some time as they go ahead and find themselves. Here's a pretty bad position for Euro AUD. And again, I would never recommend trading Euro AUD during New York session. But in any event, we scalp the market in the same way we scalp every single session, from London to New York to Asia as well. It's all the same, it's just different times. So it makes it easy. It makes it exceptionally easy. And you'll see how this all pans out. In any event, let's have a look here. So we can either find ourselves placing a buy or placing a sell. We're just waiting now for confirmation on the buy and the sell. In other words, closure below or above these levels. And then we go ahead and place a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now, you may perhaps wonder, why would I select a 1-to-1? Normally, it's all about having the best possible trade, the most accurate trade, with at least 1 to 2 or up to 1 to 5 at least in terms of risk to reward. That is one aspect of money management. The other aspect of money management comes into play when you find yourself working with quantity over the quality of trades. Every single day there will be a trade opportunity. Every single day you just won't be guaranteed to take profit. But the idea behind it is that you take profit more times than what you lose. Simply because of how generic the method is. So yeah, there might be some hot takes on that. But I've passed funded challenges using this method. So it works. And it's a lot more simple and it puts a lot less stress on you as a trader. Whether you're a beginner, advanced, you know that you'll always open your chart and you know that there will be an opportunity waiting for you. All you have to do is click the buy or the sell button when you get your confirmation. And the confirmation is literally just a candle closing below a particular price level. In this scenario, you can literally say when this candle closes below 1.64021, I'm going to sell and place my stop loss at 1.64. Basically this horizontal line on top. I'll make it a bit higher because this is 0.80, so the spread will be normally a bit fatter. I'll make it 1.64100. That's my stop loss, and my take profit within therefore be at around, let's see, that's right. Take profit will be at 1.63946. You're done. You literally just leave the trade and the trade runs, and it's either stop loss or take profit. So it's very simple for you to go ahead and actually just trade and just do what you have to do. It's very, very simple to just go ahead and trade and do what you do. Oh, there we go. There's your free traffic. I think that was actually Euro JPY I was looking at when it came down to the yeah. There's this pair I was looking at when it came down to the free traffic. What I mean by that is that there was an imbalance here in the market. You can see we had a very, very aggressive move to the upside. No candles filling in these bodies of the wick. So as a result, we should at least rebalance back at this level over there and then take it from there. So this is effectively a valid sell opportunity that you can place, and price can run all the way down. But you're noticing a bit of weakness in this bearish run to the downside. Only wondering why is that the case? I also want to know why that's the case. There's a bearish run here, but we haven't even broken this low. So there's divergence. No, not divergence. Yeah, no, that's correct. That's correct. Okay. There's not much divergence chilling around this area. But I mean, it's still, this is a bearish move from there to there. If I do it, if I had to draw a trend line over here, you broke, but you didn't really break. It's just like a baby break. Normally we rebalance at this low. That's like, or at least minimum this low. That's why the take profit chilling around there. That's just something on the side. But that's a proper bearish. But maybe that's the one on the downflip, so I can't blame it. Yeah. But you'll see what happens, shall we? JPY. I like AUD in ZD too. It's not the greatest. Not the greatest pair to at least find yourself trading, but it's not a bad pair either. So we've broken below. Is that a break? Nope, adding no break. No, it's not a break. I wouldn't consider it to be a break. It's too close. And remember, this is a 1 minute time, so you want to see something concrete. But yeah, no. It's on the dot. So you will wait. Price to break above or to break below. Of course, if you're on these live streams with me, you'll be jotting down what pairs I'm looking at. AUD, Waiting for you. NZD USD. Let's buy over here. NZD USD. Euro CAD. Nothing yet. Euro CAD. Euro NZD. Still waiting on you too. AUD JPY. Sells. Euro JPY. No, not it. No, USD JPY. I'm quite certain I looked at Euro JPY. Oh, first take profit hit. Live trading. It was clean, wasn't it? Cool. I'm just typing in that I take profit in my live trade. That's the case in USD CAD. I think it was the other one, wasn't it? Was the Euro JPY? Yeah, what's the Euro JPY? We ain't doing nothing there. Okay. He's just chilling. Our battery's on 5%. That's quite unfortunate. I need to find myself going ahead and charging it. All in due time. These pairs, like this is like the time for the forex miner pairs. I mean, they just take the cake, you know. They just kill it. And yeah, I don't really find myself discriminating. But yeah, all these pairs are quite good. I was looking for something that I haven't seen yet. AUD Swiss franc. Really lost when I seen this video. Oh my. Ah, it's stop losses. Yeah, no, I didn't. That's too tight on top to determine if that's a breakable. No break below either. But he's whiplashing up, down, left, right. This is the pair that I will not find myself trading at all. If you look at that whiplashed over the course of New York, I'm not going to do that. We almost found ourselves in a tricky situation over there. That's not very nice. But Swiss franc pairs tend to find themselves being rather wiki. Even if I were to show you AUD CAD, actually I haven't look at AUD CAD. Okay, it's really close there. Look at that. Almost worried. Almost found myself being worried over there. Almost found myself being worried over there. But nonetheless, we're running ourselves back up to our entry. That's good to hear, of course. Lovely stuff. I wanted to show you GBP Swiss franc. This pair is super wiki. Maybe it was a few years back in the day. I hated this pair so much. But it moved nice. Just like GJ. Move good. When they want to go somewhere, they go. Like bloody Euro USD and okay, GBP USD is not too bad. But Euro USD, oh wait, that pair, he just does its own thing. Scalping it is the worst. Scalping it just plays you for a fool. Anyways, I've gone ahead and I'm giving all these trading opportunities. I'm not sure it's going to take profit. It's not going to. There's plenty over here for you to choose from. You go ahead and you have a look. You choose whatever you like, and you take it from there. USD Swiss franc. Did I have a look at you yet? I don't think I had a look at you yet. Wait, stop loss. Thanks very much, mate. I have to be transparent about these two. Leave it as a take profit. And again, this is a USD based pair. Swiss franc ain't really Asian type. So if you are trading this pair, Asia, I'm quite concerned for. Yeah, he's sufficient, man. Well, good job. I'll take it. At least New York won, but of course, over the course of an Asian session, it just indicates to you that USD Swiss franc is a pair you need to trade over the course of London, as well as over the course of New York. And probably wondering what happened over here. So London's the exact same way as you trade any other pair. There's only one pair that I will never find myself live streaming. That's the Asian range breaking retest. That's the only method of trading that I will never show to anyone aside from my premium traders. It's the best method around. Anyway, with that being the case, I think I'll call it an evening. What a fantastic live stream. We hit take profit 1 on new to JPY. Unfortunately, it hasn't even been half an hour yet. But yeah, I know our live streams can go on for hours, especially when you're just waiting for the opportunity to present itself to you. But aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic evening. Keep well, keep safe. I'll catch you in live stream number 7. Cheers, guys.